Hello everyone. Hi, I just wanted to give you a quick video to further clarify the trade-off between carrying costs and ordering costs, which was discussed in Chapter 8 in your textbook when we talked about inventory management. Now, inventory is good. You need it to meet production demands. However, there is a cost associated with inventory, and as your chapter talked about, there are stockouts that could occur if you don't have enough inventory, but if you have too much inventory, carrying costs could cripple your organization. So I want to further illustrate the trade-offs between the two. So using the information we have here, if we have a weekly demand of 100 units and it costs us $80 each time we order, and we have a value of the item is $50, and the carrying cost associated with this inventory is 20% of the item, we can look at the difference between ordering many times a year or one time a year. Let's take a look at ordering one time a year. Okay, if we order one time a year, our formula for determining the ordering cost is the numbers of orders per year, and this we're going to order one time a year. I should put ordering costs equals one time a year times the cost per order, and as we see in our numbers that we have up there, it costs us $80. So our ordering cost for ordering one time a year would simply be $80. Now let's take a look at the carrying costs. I said there's an inverse relationship to this, so we would expect that the carrying costs would be much higher. So the carrying cost formula is the average inventory. So if I'm using 100 items a week, 100 times 52 weeks in a year, and to get the average inventory we simply divide by 2, then we multiply this times the value of the item, which is $50, times the carrying cost, which is 20% or 0.20. And you can do the math on your calculator at home, but basically this is 2,600 times $10 or carrying cost of $26,000. So as you see, if you only order one time a year, you're going to pay a lot in the carrying cost. So now let's look at ordering one time a year. So if we order, if we order one time a week. So the ordering cost of ordering one time a week would be 52, because we're ordering those 100 items each week. So 52 times $80 each time we place an order, and that equals $4,160. Now if we look at the carrying cost, again using our formula, our average inventory is, we're going to use 100 a week divided by 2 or 50, and I won't go back through the math, but as we see here it will be the same because we will still have the same $10 based on the value of the item and the carrying cost of 20%. So again, we could do that out. We could say the $50 times 0.20, but again it's going to be $10. So now our carrying cost is $500. So we have lower carrying cost as opposed to the ordering cost. So I will post another video, as you remember from your chapter, on how to find the economic order quantity. That will basically tell us that we will order where our carrying costs and our ordering costs will equal out. So that's what most organizations attempt to do. So there is an equilibrium between how many times they're going to order the item a year, and that balances out to their carrying costs where there's a no-sum game. I will post another video to further illustrate this. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.